So today we are in the world famous Vail Resort and we will be here for the next 3 days, so we'll try to see what we can get on video. And what else?
Well, no, today we're going to Beaver Creek.
Oh, well, they're connected pretty much.
Oh. Alright. Yeah.
What do you have to say, Kai?
I think it's gonna be fun.
Okay.
And
You going down to Black Diamonds, Kai?
maybe go some jumps.
Alright, Colorado on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Colorado!
One hell of a run. That's probably one of the funnest runs I've ever had. It's just so wide open. Lots of big jumps. Oh, that was so fun. Wreck though. I got snow down my pants. Other than that, no complaints. Let's do it again. Alright, day 2 of the Vail trip, and I am in the legendary Back Bowls. That's pretty cool because I've seen it in a lot of videos and I'm actually here. So I'm gonna get right into it. So after 2 runs in the Back Bowls, it was really icy, crusty, that kind of thing, but now I'm on my first T-bar, so that's pretty cool. And we got a storm brewing in the back. Coming from the south, so we might get a little bit of snow this afternoon. Alright, day 3 of the trip, and well, amazing. Simply amazing. So I'm gonna go get to it. See you out there.
Alright, that's a wrap for our Colorado trip. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.
Guys, busted.